So this video is actually part of a longer video that I recorded. If you want to see the full video, check the video description, or I will have different chunks as well. So if you want to check out the different topics that I cover inside of this video, I do go into an in-depth reasoning as to why I'm putting so much money into Index Universal Life. So check the video description if you want to see the whole video. Alright, I know it's been a long time since I've put out a video, and I wanted to take some time today to talk through why I'm putting over $100,000 a year into life insurance. More specifically, right now, it's about $130,000 a year that I'm putting into life insurance. And I know Dave Ramsey would tell me I'm crazy, and he's got all kinds of videos out there saying stuff about that. There's other people who talk about that. But most of the time, when they're talking about this, they don't actually understand how permanent life insurance works. And most of the time, they're also talking about poorly designed life insurance policies. So you really have to do a lot of things right in order to make this work. And that's why when I discovered this, I was like, how fast can I put money into this? And I need to get into this business. So I started this as a business. I actually got my wife licensed as an insurance agent. And if you think this video is informative and you want to work with me, that's cool. I'll leave a link in the video description to book some time with us to work through and discuss how this works and how this can help you as well, and possibly get you some illustrations. But if not, and if you already have a life insurance agent that you like working with, we can get you an illustration, and they could use that to put a policy in force on you. We want to help people achieve financial independence, financial freedom. So that's a goal in general. We don't necessarily, we'd love to earn your business, but that's not, all of what this is about. I think that people really need to know about this stuff, especially, with the times that we're in when my aspects of my brokerage account and my 401k and my Roth accounts, I still do those things, but those things have been hit. They've been hit pretty hard this year. And using these permanent life insurance products is a hedge against those things. It can be a hedge against inflation. And also, you can use these things to build wealth elsewhere, because one of the main benefits of this, people talk about it, infinite banking, bank on yourself, cash flow banking. There's a lot of different names for this concept of using insurance to build wealth. Personally, this becomes my line of credit for real estate investment, or other things. If I want to do put cash into this, but then take loans against it and put it into options trading account. I can do options trading if I want to take risky investments. What doing this does is it enables me to have, be able to decide that, hey, I'm going to take risk and, seeking much higher returns. I think, so with Index Universal Life, I think a reasonable expectation for your returns over the long term, I'm talking like 40, 50, 60 years, you can reasonably expect around an 8 to 10% return. I think it might be a little bit higher than that personally, but I think if you come into this thinking that you're going to be getting around 8 to 10% returns in your account, then I think that's a realistic assumption, and I think you're going to be happy with this stuff. So right now, again, we're going to talk about Index Universal Life. Specifically, this carrier is Allianz. That's where I have an Index Universal Life policy. I might be opening a policy with another carrier soon enough, but this is the current Index Universal Life policy that I have. And it's a great carrier for using this strategy for a number of reasons that we're going to get into. So this was recorded as part of a much larger video that breaks down my IUL, my Index Universal Life policy, and how Index Universal Life works in general. So if you want to see that, check the video description. I'll also probably put links somewhere up here for the playlist that has the smaller chunks of the video, like this one. And we'd really like to work with you. If we can find a way to help you, we'd love to. So book a meeting with us. You don't have to have nearly as much money going into this as we're walking through here. You can get started with a few $1,000s a year. And a good starting point is probably moving aspects of your emergency fund into this, because you can still access these funds within a couple of days by taking policy loans. So again, check the video description below. If you want to book a meeting with me, drop a like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.